A Baker High School teacher and her husband were in court this morning for their preliminary hearing on burglary charges.
Yeah, Fox News reporter Renee Dials is live at Government Plaza to tell us about the details that came out in that case today. Renee?
Well, Anise and Bob, prosecutors believe Terry Perry and her husband are linked to nearly a dozen burglaries in Mobile and Baldwin County. And today, investigators told a judge how they caught up with the pair and where they found thousands of dollars worth of stolen property.
James and Terry Perry have been free on bond since their arrest last month on receiving stolen property and burglary charges. Prosecutors say the pair targeted local contractors, stealing appliances, light fixtures, and other materials from new home construction sites. Police told the judge a neighbor in a new subdivision on Raspberry Lane became suspicious when he saw a man and woman carrying something from a house on March 27th. The neighbor was walking his dog and wrote down the tag number. When police checked the tag, it came back registered to Terry Perry, a teacher at Baker High School. When police went to the Perry's home on Howells Ferry Road, they discovered stolen property from numerous burglaries in 2 counties. Dennis Nisley is representing James Perry. He says police didn't have a warrant to search the Perry's property.
I think there'll be search and seizure issues in the case, and as most cases, it's more involved than what you hear, the basics here at the preliminary hearing. But I think as the case develops, you'll hear there's more involved than what you just heard today.
Police say the couple's daughter-in-law, who lives at the house, consented to the search.
After this morning's hearing, the Perrys came out to check on their new house under construction here in Wilmer. Now, prosecutors say the couple was actually stealing from other contractors to finish their project here.
Jeff Dean, who is representing the teacher, says there's no evidence linking his client to the crimes.
I think Miss Perry, who was at work most of the time, away from the home, and her husband is a mechanic and does work on a lot of things. There's all kind of things in the garage that and they're building a new house, things coming and going. I just don't see how they directly linked her to anything.
But prosecutors say the evidence comes from her husband, who told police the two of them were together looking at the house on Raspberry in order to get ideas for their new home.
Of course, police and prosecutors contend the pair was looking for more than ideas. Nearly $1,000 in light fixtures were found in the Perry's new home there in Wilmer. James Perry did get some good news from prosecutors and the judge today. They decided not to move forward with the resisting arrest and assault charges that stem from his arrest. In the meantime, Terry Perry remains on administrative leave from her teaching job. Reporting live in downtown Mobile, I'm Renee Dials for Fox 10 News.
Thank you, Renee.